Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will present about the influence of healthy lifestyle trends, management of the local economy and healthcare industry. Hope you guys enjoy the presentation.
Okay, so before we start the presentation, let's meet our team. I'm Kanai Laila Fajuna as the first speaker, and
Arif Prasetyo Aji as a second speaker.
I'm Sherina Alvita as the third speaker.
I'm Arif Arigoloma as the fourth speaker.
Okay, the first speaker will be presented by Kanai.
okay, so I will tell you guys about the definition management lifestyle. So management lifestyle is someone's things to do that related to his or her activities, interests, and opinions. Management lifestyle are strategy to detect business opportunities by observing consumer lifestyle. So this is related to a person's social life. A person's management lifestyle affects the individual, many people, and also the company or industry. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the definition healthy lifestyle with management principle. A step, action, and strategy that a person takes to achieve his or her optimal health. But in implementing this trend, we must adopt management principles, for example, time management, financial health, and many more things that are related to healthy lifestyle trend. Okay, so the third is the purpose healthy lifestyle management. The main purpose of the healthy lifestyle trend that use principle of management can improve the quality of health. A healthy lifestyle can provide short and long-term benefits both for physical and mental health. We can use management principle by making time to exercise and manage finance by buying and having nutrition. Okay, the phenomenon of healthy lifestyle. So many people asking when the phenomenon of healthy lifestyle is becoming a phenomenon. Many people are starting to follow this healthy lifestyle during the pandemic or post-pandemic. The phenomenon of healthy lifestyle is closely related to management in various aspects of life, starting from self-management to developing health businesses and the local economy. Implementing healthy living principles can have a positive impact on both individuals and society as a whole. Okay, now we have to know what is the characteristic people who implement this trend. So people who implement a healthy lifestyle management, the people who are aware of their health and economy. Someone who still makes time to exercise is one of the characteristic people with high management skills. Having a healthy lifestyle is basically managing yourself physically, which is a development of practicing self-management skills. So the conclusion is someone who consistently implements a healthy lifestyle management will feel fresh and have stable energy throughout the day. The next slide will be presented by
Okay guys, I'm Rafi Prasetyo Aji. I will here to explain you about example healthy lifestyle management. The first is maintaining a nutritious diet. Eating nutritious food every day is a very important healthy lifestyle behavior. By maintaining your diet, your body health will be significantly impacted. And secondly, exercise regularly. Exercise is an important part of healthy lifestyle. Therefore, making exercise a routine that is done individually or together can support the health of everyone. The third is keep the house clean. By keep the surrounding environment clean, keeping every room in the house clean and tidy is a healthy lifestyle that family members can follow. And the fourth is get enough and quality sleep. Getting enough sleep is important, guys. When you sleep, the body will repair health problems in the body, carry out organ function, and restore energy last through the day. 5. Cleans the body to prevent disease. When carrying out daily activities, lots of germs stick to your body, guys. Without you realizing, is this why washing your hands before eating and showering all the day is very important to prevent this. Okay, next is home management influence to implement healthy lifestyle trend in the surrounding environment. The first is increase awareness of the importance of healthy lifestyle. By providing information to people around you, for example, by holding seminars or workshops about the importance of healthy food, exercise, and good sleep patterns. 2 is invite people around you to take part in the sport activities together, such as jogging, cycling, or yoga. This can help motivate each other to stay active and healthy. And the 3 is organizing community programs to support healthy lifestyle, such as growing organic vegetable together, making healthy food together, making menu healthy together, or holding regular health events. The 4 is encourage and support eating place and health outlet in the surrounding environment, so that people have more healthy food choice and healthy lifestyle. And last is provide sport and healthy facilities that are excellent to the local community. As a city park, bike park, a sport field, or community fitness center. With the step above it, above that we can encourage and strengthen the trend of healthy lifestyle in the surrounding environment, so that people can live healthier and better quality life. Okay, next slide. About healthy lifestyle management have a significant impact of local, economic, and variety of ways. Number 1 is boosting local business. Healthy lifestyle trend often encourage the growth of local business, such as gym, wellness centers, the farmers market, and healthy food store. This can create a job and stimulate economy. The second is increased productivity. Healthy individuals trend to have a higher energy level and improve focus which can encourage productivity in the workplace. The last is attraction investment. Communities that prioritize health and wellness may attract business looking for location with a healthy workforce. Okay, next slide will be presented by Sherina.
My name is Sharina and I will present about the examples of local economics effect by healthy lifestyle trends management. The first is local health products. The healthy lifestyle trend is helping small business that sell health products such as natural supplements, herbal drinks, which are made from natural ingredients, grow and demand. Second is fashion and fitness equipment. Healthy lifestyle are also influencing local business that produce sportwear such as yoga clothes, running shoes, and other fitness equipment. This helps local craftsmen or producers in creating products that follow these trends. Next is healthy food business. Some local restaurants and cafes have started to offer healthy menus such as organic food, detox juice, and plant-based menus. This is due to the trend of healthy lifestyle that grows on increased demand for more nutrition and low-calorie food. The last is fitness and sports center. Many gyms, yoga studios, and other sport facilities are growing in demand areas in response to increasing awareness of the importance of physical fitness. Okay, next I will explain about the impacts of healthy lifestyle management or healthcare industry. The health lifestyle trend has also had a significant impact on the healthcare industry. Here are some of the impacts. The first one is increased demand for preventive health service. More and more people are aware of the importance of maintaining their health from an early age, so they are more likely to have routine health checks such as blood tests, other health techs. The second is growth of health technology market. Health and fitness apps, wearable devices such as fitness trackers and smartwatches and telemedicine platforms are becoming more popular among people who want to monitor their health independently. The last one is increased demand for supplements and herbal products. There is an increasing interest in nutritional supplements, vitamins, and herbal products as part of a healthy living routine. Okay, next will be presented by Alif.
And the next slide is examples of the health industry. Number one is telemedicine. Telemedicine is a health service that allows patients to consult with doctor or medical professional through community technology such as video calls, apps, or telephones. Example of companies providing telemedicine service in Indonesia include Halodoc and Alodokter. And number two, herbal medicine and traditional medicine. The herbal medicine and traditional medicine industry has also experienced significant growth. PT Industri Jamu dan Farmasi Sidomuncul Tbk is one of the leading companies that produce various herbal medicine products. Next. Number three is medical device. The medical device industry includes companies that manufacture various medical equipment such as diagnostic tools, surgical instruments, and health aids. Example of companies in this field are PT Swasaya Prakarsa and PT Dipa Global Medtech. Number four is hospital. Hospital are health institutions that provide medical service to public. PT Metro Healthcare Indonesia Tbk manage several hospitals in Indonesia. Hospital that focus on better and innovative health service will attract more patients, especially in an era of healthy lifestyle trends. Next is the relationship between healthy lifestyle trends management, the health industry, and the local economy. The growing adoption of healthy lifestyle trends such as regular exercise, balanced diet, and preventive healthcare has significantly impacted both the healthcare industry and local economies. Effective management of this trend is essential to maximizing their benefit for public health and economic growth. Number one is impact of the healthcare industry. Healthy lifestyle trends drive demand for service, the gyms, wellness programs, and preventive healthcare. This shift has led to the expansion of fitness center, wellness resorts, and mental health service. Management plays a key role in adapting to consumer needs, innovating offerings, and ensuring sustainability. Number two, impact on the local economy. The adoption of healthy lifestyle boosts local economies through job creation in health-related sector, increased revenue for business like gyms and health food store, and growth in health tourism. Effective management including investment in health infrastructure, support economic development, and attract new business. And the last, synergy between trend, industry, and economy. Healthy living enhances public health, leading to higher productivity and reduce healthcare costs, which benefit the local economy. This creates a cycle where the healthcare industry grows, supporting economic resilience. Management ensures that investment in health infrastructure and program align with economic.
Thank you guys for the attention. Hopefully this project get your more information. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.